For years, my post-workout routine was almost automatic. Finish exercising, towel off, and feel that satisfying ache in my muscles. It was a ritual I rarely questioned, a habit built from years of repetition and advice from trainers, friends, and fitness magazines. I'd grab a protein shake, convinced it was the magic bullet for muscle recovery and growth. The cold, creamy shake felt like a reward for my hard work, and I'd gulp it down without a second thought, believing I was doing everything right. I never questioned it, everyone seemed to recommend it, and it felt like the right thing to do. Social media was full of influencers touting their favorite brands, and my gym buddies swore by their post-workout shakes. It was almost a badge of honor to have your shaker bottle in hand. My recovery was decent, but I often felt sluggish the next morning, blaming age or overtraining. I'd wake up groggy, sometimes with sore muscles that lingered longer than I expected. I chalked it up to pushing myself too hard or just getting older. The idea that my trusted supplement could be the culprit never crossed my mind. After all, it was supposed to help, not hinder. I'd spent years believing in the power of protein shakes, never suspecting they might be working against me. Everything changed when I started using a wearable device that tracked my sleep and recovery. I was curious about optimizing my performance, so I invested in a fitness tracker, hoping to get a clearer picture of my health. The data was eye-opening. On days I had my usual protein shake after evening workouts, my sleep quality dropped. The numbers didn't lie: restless nights, less deep sleep, and more tossing and turning. My recovery scores suffered, and I started to notice a pattern. The mornings after those shakes, I felt even more drained, and my motivation to train dipped. My heart rate variability, a key recovery marker, was consistently lower the next day. This was a red flag, suggesting my body was under more stress than I realized. Suddenly the evidence was clear. My go-to shake wasn't helping me recover, it was slowing me down. I felt a mix of disbelief and frustration. How could something so widely recommended be wrong for me? This forced me to rethink everything I knew about supplements. I started reading studies, listening to podcasts, and questioning the advice I'd always taken for granted. I realized I'd fallen for the one-size-fits-all approach, assuming what worked for others would work for me. But my body was sending clear signals that it needed something different. The data told a different story. My body was reacting poorly to something in that shake. It was a wake-up call that I couldn't ignore. Maybe it was the protein type, a sweetener or a filler ingredient. I started scrutinizing labels, researching every component, and wondering if there was a hidden trigger I'd overlooked. Whatever the reason, it was obvious. Generic solutions weren't cutting it for my unique needs. I realized I needed to take a more personalized approach to my nutrition and recovery. This revelation set me on a new path, one focused on smarter, more personalized supplementation. I became determined to understand my body's unique requirements and to find solutions tailored just for me. I wanted to know what my body truly needed, not just what was popular. I started consulting with experts, getting blood work done, and learning about how genetics, lifestyle, and even gut health could influence my recovery. That's when I discovered the world of smart supplements. Customized, data-driven solutions designed to fit my individual needs. It was a game changer, and it all started with a simple question: what does my body really need to thrive? My experience exposed a bigger issue in the supplement industry. Most products are designed for the average person. The market is flooded with powders and pills, all promising results based on generic formulas. But we're all different. Our genetics, lifestyles, and diets vary wildly. What works for one person might be useless or even harmful for another. Some people can't absorb certain vitamins. Others are sensitive to ingredients like caffeine. At best, you waste money on supplements your body doesn't need. At worst, you could be harming your health. Relying on marketing or friends' advice is a guessing game. The result? Frustration, wasted money, and sometimes, setbacks. But now technology is changing the game, replacing guesswork with data. Personalized nutrition is finally within reach. Smart supplements are revolutionizing the way we think about nutrition. Unlike traditional vitamins and pills, which are made for the general population, smart supplements are designed just for you, crafted to fit your unique biology, lifestyle, and health goals. This new approach means you're no longer guessing what your body needs or relying on one-size-fits-all solutions. These supplements use your personal data, like your DNA, blood test results, and information from wearable devices, to create a supplement plan that's truly tailored to you. By analyzing your genetic makeup and real-time health metrics, smart supplements can address your specific needs, from energy and focus to immunity and recovery. The process starts with collecting your health data, often through easy-to-use at-home kits, and by syncing your fitness tracker or smartwatch with a dedicated app. This makes it simple and convenient to get a comprehensive picture of your health right from your living room. Advanced AI then steps in, analyzing all this information to identify nutritional deficiencies, genetic traits, and lifestyle factors that might be affecting your well-being. The technology can even spot patterns and trends that you might not notice yourself. Based on these insights, your supplement stack is custom formulated, with precise dosages and nutrients chosen specifically for your body. Each ingredient is selected to help you reach your personal health goals, whether that's better sleep, improved athletic performance, or enhanced mental clarity. As your habits, routines, or health goals change, your supplement plan updates in real time. The system adapts to your evolving needs, ensuring you always get the right support at the right moment. Say goodbye to static, generic pills. Smart supplements offer dynamic, responsive nutrition that evolves with you, making your wellness journey more effective and personal. Imagine opening a daily pack with your name on it, containing exactly what your body needs that day. It's a level of personalization that was once unimaginable, but is now becoming reality. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or just someone who wants to feel their best, smart supplements offer a smarter, more efficient way to support your health and well-being. This is the future of supplementation, personalized, data-driven, and designed to help you thrive every single day. The heart of smart supplements is deep biological data, mainly from your DNA and blood. DNA reveals your lifelong tendencies, how you process nutrients, sensitivities, and risks for deficiencies. For example, some people can't convert folic acid efficiently, so they need a different form of B vitamin. Blood tests show your current nutrient levels, what's actually happening in your body right now. You might have the genes to absorb vitamin D, but if your blood shows you're low, you need a boost. Combining DNA and blood data gives a complete picture, your blueprint, and your current state. This allows for precise, targeted supplementation, no more guessing. You address real deficiencies and genetic quirks, not just what's trending. It's science, not speculation. Rootine is a leader in hyper-personalized supplements using DNA, blood, and lifestyle data. They analyze your genes for nutrient needs, test your blood for current levels, and ask about your habits and goals. This three-layered approach creates a holistic health profile. The result? Daily microbeads. Tiny, slow-release beads with your exact nutrient blend. Each pack is tailored to you, optimizing absorption and mimicking how your body would get nutrients from food. No more handfuls of generic pills, just a precise, science-backed formula. Whether you're an athlete or a busy professional, your supplement adapts to your life. Rootine bridges the gap between your biology and your lifestyle. It's a leap forward from old-school multivitamins. Elo Health takes personalization further by integrating with your wearable devices. They start with a blood test and health questionnaire, but the real magic is in real-time data from your Apple Watch, Garmin, or Oura Ring. Elo's AI and dietitians adjust your supplement plan based on your daily activity, sleep, and stress. If your sleep dips, Elo might add magnesium. After tough workouts, more electrolytes or anti-inflammatories. Your plan evolves as you do, ensuring you always get what you need. Supplements arrive in daily smart pills for optimal absorption. Plus, you get access to a registered dietitian for expert guidance. Elo closes the loop between your actions and your nutrition. Gainful focuses on your fitness and wellness goals, using a detailed online quiz to personalize your supplements. Whether you want to build muscle, lose weight, or boost endurance, Gainful's algorithm creates your ideal nutrient profile. Your protein powder, hydration mix, and pre-workout are all tailored to your needs and preferences, even flavor. As your goals change, you can consult with a registered dietitian to adjust your formulas. Gainful's system is accessible, adaptable, and goal-driven. It's not just about diagnostics, it's about supporting your journey. You get a complete integrated supplement system that evolves with you. Smart, simple, and effective. The difference between my old routine and my new data-driven approach is night and day. It's not just about how I look, but how I feel every single day. The transformation is visible on the outside, but the real change is happening within. My energy, my focus, and my motivation have all reached new heights. Before, I relied on guesswork and marketing, taking generic products with no real feedback. I'd stand in the supplement aisle, overwhelmed by choices, never really knowing what my body actually needed. It felt like I was just hoping for the best, following trends and flashy labels. Now, my supplements are tailored to my biology, based on real data. Every pill and powder is chosen for a reason, designed to support my unique needs. It's a completely different experience, one that feels intentional and empowering. I discovered deficiencies in vitamin D and magnesium, which explained my sluggish recovery. Seeing those results was eye-opening. Suddenly the fatigue and slow progress made sense, and I knew exactly what to address. My new daily pack targets these gaps, and the results are clear. Each morning I know I'm giving my body exactly what it needs to perform and recover at its best. My energy is higher, my sleep scores have improved, and I recover faster after workouts. I wake up refreshed, ready to take on the day, and I notice the difference in every training session. No more mid-afternoon slumps or lingering soreness. I'm sharper at work, more present with friends and family, and I bounce back quickly after tough workouts. My heart rate variability is up, and I can train harder more often. The numbers back it up. My body is adapting and thriving, not just surviving. The old way was a gamble. The new way is an investment in my health. I'm no longer leaving my progress to chance. Every decision is informed, every step is purposeful. Personalized supplements have transformed my performance and well-being. I'm hitting new personal bests, feeling more confident, and enjoying the process like never before. The data doesn't lie, this approach works. Every metric, every milestone is proof that personalization makes a real difference. Why settle for average when you can be optimized? Take control, trust the data, and unlock your full potential. My journey taught me that health is personal, so your supplements should be too. Generic products are made for the average person, but you're unique. With today's technology, personalized nutrition is accessible to everyone. Companies like Rootine, Elo Health, and Gainful use your data to create supplements just for you. The benefits, better energy, sleep, and recovery are too big to ignore. Ask yourself, are your current supplements really working for you? If you're curious, take a quiz and see what a personalized plan could look like. Stop guessing, start knowing. Your body will thank you. This is gonna blow your mind. Want to be part of the fun? Smash that like button. Hit subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Don't miss out on exclusive content and all the good vibes. Join us now.